Manipur Cabinet, chaired by Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand, has given approval for conduct of 6th Panchayat election on October 1st of 2026. The meeting was reportedly attended by Home Minister Govindas Konthaujam, Tourism Minister K.H. Loken, Chief Secretary Puneet Kumar Goel, Deputy Chief Minister Nemchak Kipgen via online. The meeting also gave approval to issue notification regarding renaming of Mahatma Gandhi National Employment Guarantee Act (Manrega) as Vikshit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Gramin (VBG Ramji). Following the Cabinet's decision, Rural Development and Panchayati Raj RD and PR Commissioner Sumant Singh issued a notification outlining the election schedule. As per the notification, the formal election notification will be published on August 21st. The last date for filing nomination papers is August 28, while scrutiny of nominations will be carried out on August 29. Candidates will be allowed to withdraw their nominations until September 1st. Polling is scheduled for October 1, while re-polling, if necessary, to be conducted on October 5. The counting of votes will take place on October 8. The elections have been pending since the tenure of the previous Panchayats ended in 2022. Although the 6th general election was initially scheduled for June of 2023, it was deferred due to the prevailing law and order situation in the state. Since then, local governance has been overseen by administrative committees.